O, diba, ganon? So, we were okay with him. So, pabayaan mo na. Tapos, dumadating, nagka-girlfriend siya, hindi rin natuloy, tapos yung dumating man si Jody, wala pa kialam si Claudine kay Jody Santa Maria. That's her lookout. I'm not gonna say good luck to her. I'm just gonna pray for her. But, proceed at your own risk. Kung di mo pa alam, bahala ka. Bahala ng Diyos, sabihin ko. But the thing is, mga bata, walang pangbayad sa school. Si Claudine walang pamalengke. Walang pangbayad sa employees. Wala na siyang project because parang hindi na siya normal. And you know naman, mga rivals mo dyan will capitalize on that Alam mo naman, showbiz elimination
So, wala ho bang naipon si Claudine sa kanyang kasikatan?
Claudine was so very rich. The highest paying at that time. Tell me kung kung saan napunta ang pera.
Saan po?
Hindi naman nag-e-ermis yung anak ko. Ni walang alahas yun Ayaw nga gamitin mga alahas ko Then there was an episode, they had so sabihin ko na nasa court rin yan and it's in the book that I have written.
Pero mami, saan na napunta yung mga ipon ni Claudine?
Okay, one incident lang. Mayroon silang joint, lahat joint yan They were still on ata o naghiwalay na or whatever. One day, munta si Claudine sa bangko, millions Yung lang nila yung...
I mean, yung alam ni Claudine meron pang millions.
Oo, kasi...
Like sorry Ano pong figures? Ilang figures po?
Hindi ko maano. Yung di ba, when you have money in the bank, nagbawas ka, nagdagdag ka doon, hindi mo naman inaano yun
Okay.
So, alam mo lang may pera ka sa bangko.
So,
When she went there to withdraw, hindi naman niya withdraw lahat Pagdating niya, ay, ma'am, sandali lang dali lang. Sandali, 1, 2, umabot na ng 1 hour, 40 minutes. Paglabas, ay, wala na yung pera. Na-transfer na. Sino yung kausap ni Claudine? Pinsan ni Raymart.
na taga-bank.
Yes, working for that bank. Kaya para doon siya nagbabank. Joint account.
So, what happened to the money?
So, she's poor. Where's the money? I don't know. Sino kumuha nun? Si Oji Diaz o si Inday Barreto? Dalawa lang makakuha nun Pumunta ka sa bangko ngayon in 5-10 minutes you get your money. Umabot one, and then I just found out later on, kaya binundahan ko she just collapsed right there and then. Sa gutom siguro pa. You find out you're poor? Napakasimple yun. Dami pa. When she was with Claudine, yung trabaho niya? Yung kasama-sama sila Dennis, yung patawa-tawa doon. He had no fantastic, Tapos, pati mga kapatid niya, they talk about it. The family, I won't mention na lang. Collection yan, basta now, I want collection of bike. Yung mga bike pala yun, akala ko mga 5,000, malaki na. Mayroon pala yung abot ng 1 million, half a million. O, hindi naman isa mayroon siya, 2, 3. May Porsche siya, may siya. Lahat, she had everything. Pasok sa ulo niya yung photography, mayroon yung machine niya, mayroon refrigerator para lang for this machine. Maisipan niyang bike, car. Photography. So, yung ba yung lumilipad na aeroplano?
Drone,
or toys na lahat yon. Saan siya kumuha ng pera? Asan ang pera ng anak ko? Teach your children not to be good. Turuan mo rin sila ng hindi. Yung mga forgiving, hardcore, I hate myself. I don't like to be forgiving anymore and to be loving. There are many Satans in this world that not deserve.